Hello everyone, Bob here, and I thought I'd share with you a very easy job on the truck of replacing the struts on the door. As you can see, I got a problem. Yeah, goes up just fine, also falls. There's nothing left in the struts. Happened overnight too. Now usually what happens is you'll get one strut that completely fails and the other one will do double duty. It won't last long when it does that. So it's a simple job, simple DIY. And I think we'll just go through it and fix it. This job applies to really any vehicle that has one of these dampening or strut mechanisms in it. So let's take a look. Let's take a quick look at the new parts. These were ordered online, our favorite Amazon, and I found mine by just doing a search for Leer camper top struts. Came across them and found out there's really only two things you need to know to order these struts. The length of them retracted, center eye bolt to center eye bolt, and then the length of it fully extended, again, from the center of the hole to the center of the hole. Those two lengths. The only other thing you need to know is how much weight it's supporting. These are rated at 35 pounds for the Leer door, which is more than enough. They go up, I've seen them as high as 80 pounds, maybe more, for the vehicle application. So, a simple switch. Let's go ahead and get started. Here, I'll show you on the new strut. You'll see at the end, right there, there's a clip, a round band that goes around it with a slot that goes underneath it right here. To remove the strut from the vehicle, all you need to do is get a screwdriver, appropriate size, get it down inside that slot, and pry out this metal band that's going around it right here. Then it should just pop right off. Sounds easy, huh? Let's give it a shot. So to keep this as real as possible here, no practice on this, you're going to see me going into this for the first time. Normal struggles. I think I'll come in from right here, try to get the screwdriver underneath it, and pry it out. Almost got it. And there it is. Once that clip comes out, you can barely see the crescent hole there in the middle of the band that goes around the ball that's right here on the joint. Let's go ahead and do the top one too. I think once you get them started, a bigger screwdriver would work fine. All right, band's off, struts out. Now as we pan back just a little bit, you can see bottom connection, ball joint, top connection, ball joint. Before we put it back together, I've already wiped them off a little bit. I'm just going to put a small amount of just a little bit of lubricant on here. The top ball is the one that gets most of the work because of the, well, it has most of the pivoting to do. And now with those lubes, moment of truth, everything's right, the same size, we should be able to snap these on. Oh, that one went on. Let me go up a little bit. Well, I'll tell you what, that has got some serious gas charge on that thing. But it's in. My support board just fell down. Well, there's the first side done. Yeah, it looks pretty skookum. Yeah, I like that. So, with this side done, the process on the other side is exactly the same. I won't bore you with that. We'll finish this project up and come back when it's done. See, look, staying up with just the one strut, but I figure these things are strong. All right, we got both sides in. The other one went in just fine, same way. So let's see what we got. Let's open it first. Yeah, there's a lot more resistance there. Strong. And I will be completely transparent with you. All the measurements I did, talking about those measurements and checking it right. Ordered the proper struts. These came in, compared to the old ones, the new ones were about 3/4 of an inch longer. They really were. I was a little concerned about that. But they went in, and the only thing I see now is that the door just raises a little higher. So I got to stand on my tippy toes to close it. No big deal. I'm very happy with it. 30 bucks, Amazon for both of them. And they actually came with new ball joints that I could replace at the bottom. They came with an extra set, bottom and top. But looking at the existing ones, I would have to drill them out. This one I can get to. This one, not so much, without a lot more drilling. Ball joints are in good shape, so I left them in. And I'm very happy with that. Yeah, it's very strong. Like it a lot. But while I was here, I noticed that I had an existing problem that I've been dealing with for years. These door handles. The keyholes are messed up. Not working very well. So, we just did the struts. Ordered some new handles for this. They might even be in today. So I owe you a second video. Might as well just take care of the whole thing and fix it all up. And make life easy. So, thank you for hanging out with me today and taking care of this small job. And you know, I really compare this simple job to something along the lines of your windshield wiper blades. Pretty simple, but just took a little effort and gave me a new door. So, I found the video even a little bit entertaining or helpful. Please click the thumbs up. I will appreciate that. Hey, side note, I just retired about 3 months ago. So hey, time on my hands, enjoying life. Why not try to help a few people out? So here's where we're going to go. Stay well, and maybe we'll see you next time on DIY with Bob. Enjoyed it. Bye.